How to unlink Microsoft account from PS5. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to unlink your Microsoft account using your PS5. Now it's going to be tricky and it's going to be depending on what game you're trying to unlink your Microsoft account to using your PS5. So say for example, you're unlinking your Minecraft game. All you have to do is to access your Minecraft settings onto your PS5. From settings, choose on account. And then under account settings, you should be able to see unlink Microsoft account. If you've linked your Microsoft account into your Minecraft game, click that and have it confirmed. However, if you're going to be unlinking it to a different game, all you have to do is to access your PSN account and check if Microsoft unlinking is available. So those are the things that you can do for you to unlink your Microsoft account from PS5.